Okay, so first you need to fill the metal trough with water. And you don't want to fill it all the way up. You want to fill it about between a third and a halfway up. So, about there. And next you need to fill this 100 milliliter graduated cylinder with water as high as possible. And you want to cover it because you're trying to lose as little water as possible. So now we are going to flip this upside down and put it in the water in the trough. And our goal is to lose as little water as possible. So you have to do it quickly. So you're just gonna... Now you will get air bubbles. At the top you can see there's some air bubbles, but they're okay. You want as little as possible, but as long as it's less than a milliliter, it should be okay. So now you're going to use this ring stand to hold the graduated cylinder up. So, okay. Now, you will be using this tubing and this eyedropper. So to put the eyedropper in the tubing, you sort of have to go into it at an angle and straighten it. And you're going to put the eyedropper into this blue stopper. And you don't want to push it too far in, just a little bit, just enough so that it's secure, but if you push it too far in, you could get it stuck. So now you're going to put the tubing, so this end, the end without the dropper, is inside the graduated cylinder. So now you'll measure 20 milliliters of 1 molar hydrochloric acid. You want to be careful because this isn't good for your skin. What we're going to do is we're going to place this magnesium into the hydrochloric acid inside this flask. But it's important that immediately after you place the strip in there to get the stopper on top, because you want to make sure that you collect all gas. So it has to be quickly, once you put it in, you put the stopper on right away. So now it will react. And as it reacts, gas will be going through the tubing and into the graduated cylinder. Once the magnesium is fully reacted, you can now measure how much gas was produced. So, first you need to take the tubing out from under, and you have to keep it flat so that your water level is flat, and you're going to measure, so the top half is going to be gas where there's no water, and there's still water left in the graduated cylinder. So where the water stops, the numbers are upside down, but you can still see on the left here where it starts at 0. This is the side you're going to want to use. And right here is 80, there's 85, so it's about 84 milliliters of gas produced. So